So hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can connect your AI with WhatsApp to create an amazing AI powered WhatsApp chatbot. This AI-powered WhatsApp chatbot is going to help your business to grow faster first. Second, reply to the inquiries that you receive from your customers, clients, or leads 24/7 on WhatsApp. And you can have this support bot for your business. And you can create this without need of any technical coding and programming skills. Now, as I've said all these things, you might wonder, I might be lying if this is not possible. But this is actually possible with Pabbly Chatflow. If you don't believe me, I'll show you how. Towards this AI assistant on WhatsApp as a customer, I will ask my question. First of all, I'm an owner of a fashion store in the name of Style Haven, and I provide online services and deliveries towards my customers as well. Now, after placing the order or for placing the order, I receive multiple inquiries from customers' side. So I'm going to act as a customer towards this bot, and let's see who is replying to the message, how quickly am I receiving the message, and keep in mind that there is no one replying to the queries manually. AI is actually doing this work, okay? So the question is, can I cancel my order after placing it? A very simple question as a customer towards this bot. So now let's see how the bot is going to place the answer, is going to write the answer to this question. You can see within few seconds of asking, I've received a reply. Yes, you can cancel your order after placing it using my orders section as long as the order has not been shipped yet. So you can see right over here, I have received this reply. So I'm going to ask another question with a very different kind of a background. Let's see how that different type of a question is answered through this bot. Can I return an item if I've already removed the tags? Okay, so a very different question I'm asking towards this bot. And now let's see how this AI-powered WhatsApp bot will reply to my query. Returns are eligible only if the item is unused, has the original tags. So if the tag has been received, the item will not qualify for the return under the stated policy. So you can see right over here, I have received the reply immediately. So this is how the queries on WhatsApp in your business is going to be resolved 24/7. You don't have to hire an entire team to do this task actually. Just create this AI-powered bot and you will have your amazing support system. Now, if you want to learn how you can create the setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills, for that you have to stay tuned till the end of this video, and in between I'm going to share you a gift as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now, for creating this amazing AI-powered WhatsApp chatbot, you need an amazing WhatsApp management tool, for which I use Pabbly Chatflow. It's an amazing tool. It will help you to create amazing AI-powered chatbots without need of any technical coding and programming skills. So if you want to test out how Pabbly Chatflow actually works, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can easily test out what are the features of Pabbly Chatflow. And not just this, you can do multiple things with Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to test out, sign up for free right now. Test it out from your end. And then if you really like using Pabbly Chatflow after testing all the features, you can purchase their yearly or one-time plans. Now, my suggestion will be to purchase the one-time plans because you need to pay the amount once and get the access of Pabbly Chatflow lifetime. So go ahead, purchase their plans using my code on the left side of my screen. You will get amazing and instant discounts. You will get the highest discounts using my code, guys. Okay, so go ahead, purchase their plan, automate your WhatsApp conversations. If you want to learn how, after logging in, if you want to learn how to set up Pabbly Chatflow account, add your WhatsApp number, what are the features, how all the features work, check out all the video links added in the description section below. Now, to create an AI assistant, go towards this AI assistant section, add the new AI assistant from the button. Now after that, you will come to this interface. Rename your assistant from here, from this button right here. Now you need to complete 4 sections in order to create this amazing AI assistant. These are the 4 sections: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling. So now I'm going to show you what are the sections and what you have to fill in all of them. Now first, select the instruction type. I will select it as AI agent. You can select another instruction type according to your requirement, or even create a custom instruction type. Okay, now as soon as you will select the pre-created type from here, the instructions, that is the roles and responsibilities of the assistant, is automatically going to appear. Now if you want to add in, eliminate or edit any of the points, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Next is AI configuration. First is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being focused replies from AI assistant towards customers or leads, 1 being creative replies. Now I want middle, I want creative as well as focused replies, so I've select the temperature as 0.5. AI to use, currently we have the option of OpenAI only, so I've selected OpenAI, selected the AI model which is going to generate the replies, and then you have to provide the API key. For that, directly go towards this hyperlink. You will come to the API keys page of OpenAI, create the key from there, copy it and paste it down and create the connection. Now remember this very important point, you need to have a paid OpenAI account in order to create this AI assistant, then only this AI assistant is going to give all the replies. Okay, next is AI assistant settings, under which it's header, footer, stop keywords, retry attempt. If you want any of these above options, toggle the button on and get all the details. Okay, last is feedback message. So let's suppose this API key is not responding, there is some error, automatically the feedback message right here will be forwarded. You can edit this section as well. First section of AI instructions is completed. Now next is very important section, that is knowledge source. Now this AI assistant is replying to the queries according to my business. But how did the AI know about my business, products, policies, what is my business, how did I start my business, everything? How did this AI assistant knew all the details? So for that, create a document explaining what your business is all about. If you want to learn how you can create the best knowledge base possible, check out the video link added in the description section below. I've already created a video on it. Okay, so I have created this amazing document, upload it over here. You will see the document just like this. Now next section is very amazing, AI interface and styling, these two sections. Now if you have a website of your business, you see that usually now on the big brands website, you will see a support bot just like this on the corner. Now if you want a support bot directly linked with the WhatsApp bot that you're creating right now, you can create and add this WhatsApp bot just like this on your website using Pabbly Chatflow as well. So now in the interface, if you want to change this name, the line right over here, the initial message, enable, disable, powered by Pabbly, edit this footer link, from this section you can definitely do all the details. Okay, next, if you receive messages from the customers and just like this from first site, from their end, what is the usual message you receive, you have to enter it right here. Next is styling. If you have your own brand, your brand will have its own colors. So if you want, you can edit the colors, backgrounds, pictures, shapes, everything from the styling section. I don't want that, so I'm going to simply skip the part. And the assistant is created successfully. Toggle the button on, save the assistant from here just like this. Your AI assistant is going to be activated and added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Go to embedded to copy the script and copy the code, paste it on your website code, and you will see that your AI assistant is added on your website as well. Okay, I've created this AI assistant. Now I'm going to ask one last question as a customer towards this assistant, and let's see how it's going to reply to my last query. I have a very different question. I'm looking for a plain white t-shirt. What would you recommend? A recommending kind of a question. Now let's see how the AI assistant is going to tackle this kind of queries received from the customers. Okay, so you will see I have received the reply. I recommend the classic white t-shirt, material, size. You can see I've received this reply right over here. So now as I've received this reply, the assistant is replying to all my queries formally and nicely. So now if you want that this assistant should be automatically enabled to all the conversations coming in inside your WhatsApp business account from the customers or leads end, for that go to settings, inbox settings section, scroll down till the end of inbox settings. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down, enable this button of auto replies right here, select the contact list, select all contacts, select the assistant from the drop down and save this rule. Towards all the contacts, this assistant will be automatically enabled. Now if you want to a specific contact and assistant should be enabled, for that go to that chat, toggle the button on of this choose a assistant, select the assistant from the drop down. Towards this chat, this assistant is going to be automatically enabled. So as now I have created this assistant successfully, it's replying to my messages. This is how you create an AI-powered WhatsApp chatbot for your business. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.